Cheers if you're drinking in Hartwick tonight.
Try to live my life and just do my best. Just a hard-living son from the Middle West. You call me a sinner and a broken man, but it's girls like you that made me who I am. Tell me, baby, do you know who I am? I'm the only...
Rich, stand forth and come meet your destiny.
Yep. Yeah. Destiny of what?
On this, the 6th day of June,
Yep.
we present to you,
D-Day.
for superior acts of service and being an all-around great guy, the Golden Bottle of Rockwell City. Harmonize with me.
Somebody augment that? What happened?
Holy shit! You bought this off eBay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.